my gosh. All right, so we're on our way. Day one of the trip. I wanted to do more video. The the batteries in the trailer were completely dead, and I think what happened was the previous owner probably had lithium batteries in it, and he had some sort of weird cold weather protection for the lithium batteries, which I know about that, but my batteries aren't lithium, they're just gel batteries. So I didn't realize that that switch was there, and I didn't know why it wasn't charging, so my batteries were completely dead. I bypassed the switch and it charged all night, and the batteries are holding a charge, so we're good to go. Getting on down the road.
After 3/4 of a mile, go straight ahead.
Okay, just went through Panguitch a while back. Be coming up on Kanab here pretty soon. It's weird to think we'll be camping on a beach here in a couple hours.
After 1/4 of a mile, go straight ahead onto Mount Carmel Scenic Byway.
Go take a look at Lone Rock. It's not really a beach anymore, is it? Heck yeah. Good camping spot with a view. Holy smokes. This is awesome. Check this out. This is gonna be cool. I don't know if I'll make it all the way out there or not, but we'll go check it out. It's a little muddy out down there. All right, I'm sitting here editing this video. I'm tired. It's definitely didn't take a lot of time to edit this, sorry. But day one is down, sitting at Lone Rock Beach. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one here. Might get some night photos or something if I don't fall asleep. All right, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.